Welcome to the Crochet channel, the best place in the universe to learn crochet online. It's great you're here today because it's always a lovely day to crochet. If you like crochet or kittens, or you just want to help me out, click like, subscribe, and ring the bell so you don't miss out on your crochet channel videos. Yay! In this video, I will show you how to crochet the bow keychain. This one, 4-ply milk cotton yarn, and the hook 2.5mm crochet hook. Before we begin, create a slip knot, and then crochet a chain. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This one we crochet chain 77. Now I have the chain 77, and then I will crochet the first row. Yarn over. This one we will insert into the third chain from hook. First, second, and third. Half double crochets. 1, 2, 3. Keep repeating this process until you have 10 half double crochets. Now I have 10 half double crochets, and then next I will crochet 6 slip stitches. Insert 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then next we will crochet 18 half double crochets. 1, 2. Keep continuing. Now I have 18 half double crochets, and then we will keep repeating from this process. 6 slip stitches, 18 half double crochets, 6 slip stitches, and this one the end, crochet 11 half double crochets. Keep continuing. So after I have finished this one, 10 half double crochets, 18, 18, and this one 11 half double crochets. This is the first row, and then the second row I turn the work, and then the second row also repeat from the first row process, but we will crochet in the back loop. 1, 2, and this one the front loop, this one the back loop. We will skip this one and crochet the next one instead. Back loop, 1, 2, half double crochet, 3. So this one 10 half double crochets already, and then the 6 slip stitches also the same, crochet in the back loop only. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then this one 18 half double crochets, 6 8 slip stitches, 18 half double crochets, 6 slip stitches, and this one 11 half double crochets. Keep continuing. Now I am at the end of the row 2. This one I crochet 10 half double crochets, and then at the end we will insert to this half double crochet, and the third row chain 1, 2, and then remember at the back loop 1, 2, 3, and keep repeating in the back loop only. 10 half double crochet, 6, 18, 6, 18, 6, and at the end 11. Now I am at the end of the row 3. This one insert to this, 11 half double crochets, and then the row 4 also the same, turn the work, 1 and 2, and then half double crochet, skip 1 and crochet in the next one in the back loop, 1, 2. This one I have 10 half double crochets, and this one I will assemble at the same time, 80. So this one 10 half double crochet, and then I will crochet to here, to the first A slip stitch, first, second, third, and 2, 6 in the first one. So I insert here in the back loop, this one in the back loop, A slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and then keep continuing crochet 18 half double crochets. So this one I have 18 half double crochets already, and then the slip stitch in the back loop at the first one. I want to join also at the first A slip stitch at the opposite direction, A slip stitch together, only one, and the second one crochet as normal, A slip stitch, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6, and then keep continuing crochet 18 half double crochets, 1, 2, keep continuing, and then next I will join to this, grab at the back loop of the slip stitch, and also here in the back loop, insert into the right position, this one, A slip stitch, and then 5 A slip stitch, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and then the fifth one I want to join down here, the last one of A slip stitch, and then this one half, and then next A slip stitch here, A slip stitch, and then crochet 11 half double crochets, 1, 2, 3, 4, keep continuing. So now I have finished. If you feel confused at this round 4 point, you also can repeat from the round 3 for the row 4, and then you assemble in the middle and then wrap around. But this one I would like to join, so I don't need to sewing. I will cut the yarn off and weave in or else. Next, I will use the yarn to wrap around in the middle. Now I have finished with the bow. Next, I will attach to the keychain. Now I have finished with the bow keychain. Now my bow keychain is done and ready to hang on my bag. Thank you for watching and be sure to check out the Crochet channel for lots of exciting, easy and best of all free crochet tutorial patterns which you can use to create your own crochet pieces. If you enjoyed this tutorial, please thumbs up, share and subscribe. Be kind to someone today and keep smiling until the next video.